Now let us see some other nomenclatures of the organic compounds of alcohols, then ethers, aldehydes and ketones. Out of this, the nomenclature of alcohols and aldehydes, they are very simple. I am not going to explain here in detail. Okay, only the superficial rules I will explain you, and the table of the homologous series of alcohols and aldehydes you will find in the notes. It will help you. I will explain ethers and ketones. Now suppose consider the alcohols. Okay, in alcohol, suppose this is one example, CH3 CH2OH, and in the case of aldehyde it is CH3 CHO. I am talking about IUPAC name. Common name are very simple. Now it is 2 carbon atom compound. 2 carbon atom compounds. So it will start the IUPAC name. We will use the parent is 2 carbon atom. That means ethane. It is ethane. Then I have to remove this E, and in the name of alcohol OL is there. Okay. So ethanol. The name will become ethanol. Now if you see in the case of aldehyde, it is carbon number 1, it is carbon number 2. The functional group itself having the carbon atom. Okay, so 2 carbon atom alkane, you know, that is, it is again ethane. Then what I will do, I will remove this E, as I remove E here, and here OL is, I add here OL, and here AL will be added. So it is ethanol. It is ethanol. So 1 carbon atom methanol, 2 carbon atom ethanol, 3 carbon atom propanol, butanol, pentanol. Similarly here methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol and pentanol. Now I am going to explain the nomenclature of ethers and then ketones. Now in case of ether, the general formula can be represented as ROR and ROR dash. What does it mean? Let me tell you. What is R? R is alkyl group. When we write ROR, that means both the alkyl groups are similar. So this is the O is a functional group of the ether, and this is the alkyl group CH3, and this is the alkyl group CH3. Clear? So here both the alkyl groups are similar, so ROR we write, and this kind of ether are called symmetrical. Symmetrical ether. Now you can see in this ether the alkyl group on the both the sides of the functional group is different. It is CH3 and it is C2H5. That means it is methyl and it is ethyl. This kind of ethers are considered as unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical ether. So general formula you can represent ROR or ROR dash, and you know what is R? What is R? CN H2N plus 1. That means one hydrogen atom is less. Then in between O is present, again CN H2N plus 1, or I can write CN H2N plus 1. How many times? 2 times O. In this way also I can write. So according to different conditions we can choose that kind of representation. Now let us practice how to give the common name and the IUPAC name.